Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we spotlight Brit Manuelaa, an American fashion and fitness model, Instagram star, YouTuber, and rising social media influencer who earned global recognition through her stylish, captivating content. She became widely known on Instagram for her eye-catching photos and was also represented by Wilhelmina models, further boosting her international career. In 2017, Manuelaa appeared on the cover of KIKQ Australia magazine, marking a major highlight in her modeling journey. Born on January 27, 1994, in California, USA, she grew up with her family and discovered her passion for modeling during her high school years. Determined to pursue a creative path, she later completed a degree in fine arts from a local university. Standing around 5 feet 7 inches and weighing approximately 57 kilograms, Brit Manuelaa is admired for her athletic figure, confident style, and strong online presence. Today, her digital influence continues to grow, with her online reach estimated to be well above 5.2 million followers across platforms. Brit Manuelaa remains a powerful voice in fashion, fitness, and self-expression, perfectly reflecting the energy of Curve Nova 2.0.